old people. 4 more months that I'll be 80 years old beginning. Very old 啊，80歲開始4個月。When I can walk, then I walk. I go to eat because human being cannot know when to die. Maybe accident, maybe old, they will die 嚇。每個人都要死。係，但係個天知道你勤力孝順父母，take care of parents, old people, grandfather, grandmother, do whatever. When you are education, you make money, you can take care, let them have a best life. Now they give you, have a good situation. 梗係唔好同埋啲同學一啲 schoolmate，我 just like that for what？ 佢哋 no future 冇前途嚇，你唔讀書你冇用，你去做一個乞衣 beggar， 服侍嗰啲有錢人，服侍嗰啲市大陸人 ，the people from mainland， they use the cheating money come to Hong Kong 啊，我哋香港人 地震啊，乜嘢啊，我哋捐幾多錢上？你知唔知你叫我哋講燦啊？係啊，幾賤啊！我一講英文，佢即刻企喺度停咗，好似個 fucking robot 咁啊！因為佢以為我係公安，拉佢哋佢哋使黑錢你而家26個英文字母你都識啊 ？A B C D 係咪？佢哋嚟讀大學俾錢，幫爸爸媽媽使嗰啲叫做黑錢 corruption money。They don't even know how to say A B C D E F G. I said the people at the kindergarten they can sing Christmas English song and the New Year Happy New Year song, right? Even you know how? Merry Christmas song. And Happy New Year song. They are corruption money. They don't know shit. They cannot even know 26 English from A to Z.
Okay.
Yeah, 真㗎。
Okay.
你聽婆婆啊
Bye bye, Silva.
Listen to old woman said, because I'm really educated when I was 21, I finished my university. I know how to speak, I know how to write. In that time, 99% even policemen, they don't know how to speak English. That time is British colony time. 呢個英國殖民地嘅，知唔知啊？係啦，佢哋個識史，佢唔識講英文，講唔識英文啊？邊個？嗰啲差人，佢21歲嗰啲乜 C 都唔識，佢 ABC 都唔識，上中環 Central many foreigner 好多外國人嚟香港係咪？人哋話 where you 呢個 train go up to the mountain？ They say they cannot even know how to say no. Just do like this.
Like
I translated for them. I said go up to the mountain, can take a train and see the whole Hong Kong and Kowloon side. When you got time, holiday, tell Papa and Mommy, take you go there, sightseeing. Take the train.
Nice to talk to you, Silva.
Okay?
Okay then, nice
Okay,
to talk to you.
bye-bye.
Thank you for good advice.